Welcome back to my channel. So I will tell you today I will give you the amazing website. The website name is NVIDIA/VIP.VIP. So you have to how to get the first step is how to get registered for this site. So you have to just register. You have to put in your email, then enter password, then confirm password, then transaction password, then sign up the button. So this is a simple information of how to get login for this site. So guys, I will fill all information. Then I will tell the next step. In the site, now you have seen this. So just immediately to so friend, you have seen this. We have registration site. We have recharge, withdraw, channel, download app, bulletin, gold investment board director, and company profile. So you have to open company profile here. You have seen this. You have to read all NVIDIA information. So first step is how to get recharge. Simply copy this address and open your wallet address and click the button of TRC20. Then paste your this address there. Then you can get your recharge amount. Open your first of all TRX20 wallet account. Here we are, the wallet section. So you have to just putting your simply open the USD TRC20 and click the button send. Paste your address and just enter your amount to and click the button next. Then confirm the button. Then you can get your recharge amount. After recharge, back to the site, you will get your recharge amount. So next step is rent before withdraw. We have we have level of VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP 6, VIP 7, VIP 8 and VIP 9 and VIP 10. So these are the rents. You can buy it, then daily withdraw and daily profit and daily reward here. So first step is VIP 1. So you have to simply rent by VIP 1 company, give it to me as a reward and rent it and rent and successful purchase. So we have time for the withdraw simply. So please add your withdraw method, submit. Okay guys, USD TRC20, paste your address TRC20 and transaction password and then submit. So first of all, the copy of TRC20. Here we are, receive the button and copy this address back to your site. So simply you have to paste your address and enter your transaction password. So submit. So this is simple information, add a withdraw method, submit. So now we have time for withdraw. So simply withdraw the button and just 2.7. Okay, so enter your payment and payment password. Okay, so enter your payment password here and choose a withdraw method and submit. So application for withdraw. So we done the withdraw section. You have seen this. We have the receive section. You have seen this. The 2.7 USD receive in my account. So this is the announcement. You have to read this all information of this and you have to watch this video and I will tell you the our step by step all information of this site. And you have seen this. So income section, you have seen this, and team section, copy this invite code and invitation code and copy this link, send your friends and family members, they will get rewards many time. And team mission discount detail, team A, team B and team C. And this is the home section. And if you have any problem, then click the button headphone. This solve all problem through Telegram. And if you like this app, then download this app. So hope you are well. See you to the next project. Take care.